Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Ghost admin login problems, server and auth errors step by step clearly. If you're facing Ghost admin login problems, the first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and functioning properly. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve issues related to old data interfering with your login process. Once that's done, try logging into your admin panel again. If the problem persists, proceed to check your server status. Access your server's control panel and look for any ongoing issues or outages. If everything seems fine, move on to your authentication details. Verify that you are using the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the password reset feature. In case you're still locked out, examine your database for any corrupted user entries. Access your database management tool and locate the user table. Look for anomalies or missing roles associated with your admin account. If necessary, restore the admin role manually. Next, inspect your website's configuration file for any incorrect settings. Ensure that there are no syntax errors or incorrect database credentials listed. Also, check your website's plugins and themes. Sometimes, a malfunctioning plugin or theme can interfere with login functions. Deactivate all plugins temporarily and attempt to log in again. If successful, reactivate each plugin one by one to identify the culprit. If you encounter server errors, review your server's error logs for any issues. Look for entries that might indicate which files or processes are causing the problem. Additionally, make sure your server meets the required specifications for your CMS. If you're using shared hosting, ensure you're not hitting resource limits. As a last resort, contact your hosting provider for assistance. They may have more insight into server configurations or issues that could be at play. Once you've taken these steps, try logging in one more time. With a little luck, you should be back in your admin panel without any further issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.